Danny literally just got a text. We're on Fox News. Traffic alert. A large group of exotic cars is driving through Malibu, causing a bit of traffic congestion.
See, there you go, the Monterey Car Show. And it's fuel run, so.
Good morning, guys. Alright guys, we got Danny's GT3 Ferrari, we got Mark's GT3 Lambo, and then we got Danny's R8 over there. Mo and Ronnie are driving that. We got Mark driving the Lambo. Dude, this thing is so insane with the highlighter green, guys. Oh my god. Literally, with the black accents, carbon fiber accents, and the blue brake. Oh, jeez. Oh, so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Alright guys, we are out to Monterey Car Week. See you guys soon. Welcome to LA, guys. Look how many people we stun.
Morning. There's a cop sitting right there. Oh, is it?
458. Damn, guys. This is crazy. Danny's car, PFS McLaren, we got DDE's, Tire Slayer. Guys, look at this Liberty Walk 458.
It's pretty quiet though.
Yeah. This is sick though. Damn. Popo's here. Literally been here for 5 minutes and the cops are already showing up. Alright guys, so one cop went to 2 or 3 cops, went to 5 or 6 cops, and the commanding officer, I think.
Joe, like ask Joe why he has.
Guys are awesome. They came over and helped him out.
Yep.
It's alright, I will.
It's a big retort. You're gonna mess up the screw if you try to do it that way. Is there a nut on the back?
Yeah, maybe I didn't do it that high. Can we get like an exception? Sergeant exception?
Hey man.
No, you know what?
I don't have that much juice.
I'll just get some tools on the way. Okay. I have my pick.
Yeah, because the other side is the fucking Phillips, not the Torx.
Look at these Lambos, McLaren, 600 LT. Guys, this 600 LT is sick. Carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber hood, side skirts. Dang, everything is carbon fiber. Look at this, roofs too.
What the fuck? You came here instead of pure run?
Hey look, he matches the motorcycle. He matches the motorcycle. You want to be with the homie?
Hey, go to pure run! Fun!
Hey, go. What happened? Weren't you supposed to be on fuel run? This is DDE rally.
Fuck, they have like a detail like the garage. Wow, very good.
We'll meet up with them.
Bro, look at this. They have like a detail like all the roads.
I'm telling you, it's pretty legit. Yeah, $500. That's what it buys you. A pamphlet? Damn, guys. This meet is getting crazier and crazier. Literally.
Pretty chubby guy to be standing on a carbon body Refueling.
Hey, might as well just break another thing on it. What does it matter?
I hear cracking.
Bring it in!
All right, well, welcome to our unofficial, official, members-only rally. Follow the route. If you lose the route or want to go a different way, that's all cool. Like, do whatever you guys want to do. Just know a couple of things. One, there are going to be a lot of cops on the road because everybody on Wednesday and Thursday drives to Monterey. Like, there's a reason why they're all sitting over there right now. They're not dumb, they know what's going on. Obviously, there's places you can go and have fun. Just know that some of them are in really obvious spots, but there are a few sneaky motherfuckers out there. They've got me once or twice over the last 7 or 8 years I've done this. That's kind of it, you know, try to behave as we're leaving here because anything residential is where they get really sensitive. If we're out...
That sounds like a... Get the camera.
Get the camera out.
Who by the way? Hey, grab Chris.
Damn, guys, look what literally just fucking showed up. Oh my god. And we got a wide body 488. Mercy. Lambo. Holy crap, guys. Gotta be behind the Bugatti, guys.
Hell yeah.
Gotta be behind the Bugatti. Guys, we got daily driven exotics, Bugatti Chiron. Oh my god, this guy is so clean. So clean. Daily driven exotics, Danny P. We got the Lambos. Lambos on McLarens on McLarens, guys. Let's go. Guys, look. We haven't even barely left the parking lot and they're already waiting for us. Literally already waiting. Look at that view. Bugatti, Chiron, and cops. That's a thumbnail right there. I think that's gonna be the thumbnail. Good morning, officers. Morning. Look at this view, guys. Hey, you want?
I'll give you $100.
Yeah, spend more on the ticket.
$200. Will be 2 points. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's true.
You give me $500, I'll rev it.
Oh, what?
Oh!
5 mils? Then you get an implied contract.
Oh, it's green. It's green now. It's literally like GTA, guys. right there. Hey, next cop, 500 bucks. Next cop. Oh my God. Damn. They saw just flames.
I think they're passing the.
Oh, we are. Look at guys, we just shitted on the fuel room. Oh my God. Danny literally just got a text. We're on Fox News. Traffic alert. A large group of exotic cars is driving through Malibu, causing a bit of traffic congestion.
See, there you go, the Monterey Car Show. And it's fuel run, so
People driving the fucking first
They're literally waiting. Oh my God. He literally just said, did you hear the cop, guys? He literally just said, watch that guy, the orange Lambo.
Really? Did he
Yeah,
say that?
he did. He literally said, watch that guy. Damon, brother. Looks like we got some boys getting on. Fantastic.
there, and cop is just waiting for us right there. Holy shit. He'll be stuck with us.
Damn, look at Mark's car. Guys. This is something else, guys. This is totally something else. Menacing eyes, guys. Ooh. Look at that thing back there, guys. That is so crazy, dude. Oh, alright. Does that go? That is go. Let's go. race everybody. One more time, one more time. Oh shit! Wow! Everybody
Wow,
pulled
race!
up.
Race out here!
Guys, we have Alex Choi, PFS, Danny P, Slow-Mo, driving Danny's R8. How do you like the R8, Mo? Hell yeah. Got Ronnie, say what's up? Hell yeah. Then we got Daily German Exotics right here. He literally opened the door while driving when I was getting photos. Stuck his foot out. Oh my God, so ballsy. Literally so ballsy. All right guys, we are out here at In-N-Out. This is Vehicle Virgin's McLaren 600 LT. This thing is so sick in person actually, and seeing it on the road driving, oh my God guys. Just another sight, literally. Roof scoop, everything, all carbon fiber. It is so sick. Seeing all these cars, 458, 488, 488 actually. Both 488s. 488 Pista. What's going on guys? Love the baby blue. Sick. Super sick. Then we got Go's, mint green, R8, twin turbo. Sheepy Races R8, twin turbo. And then we got Mark's twin turbo, Lamborghini, GT3, highlighter green, BBS rims, new blue calipers. This thing is sick, guys. I just took some rollers of it. Can't wait to edit them. They're gonna be so sick. Literally. Super crazy, guys. Honestly, this is one of the best rallies that I've been on ever, and I've only been on a few, so I can't say much, but literally tops anything. It's so crazy, guys, honestly. Look at all these cars. Literally, look at all these cars. We also got Alex Choi's McLaren 720S. Dude, the wrap on this is fucking insane. And we also got Dave DDE's Lamborghini. Then we got Danny front row. Front row. Alright guys, we are at the gas station refilling up after In-N-Out real quick. Look at all these supercars. Alex Choi, bet with AJ. We got Mark. We got Leon. We got Slow-Mo. Mo in the R8. We got DDE filling up. This is super sick. Literally, we're blocking the whole street with supercars. This is sick. That is awesome. That is sick. I like that. That is so dope. Woo! Woo! Damn, that's what twin turbo Lamborghini sounds like. That's freaking dope, guys. All right, well, looks like everyone's packing up to leave. I gotta get back into the GT3.
What for?
Stop sign.
The stop
I
sign.
didn't see the stop sign because of you.
Stop sign?
Yeah.
Why is everything because of me? Uh-oh. Literally 3 seconds after we got here.